Okay, first up is skin prep, of course, because you need your skin to be hydrated if you want your makeup to look good. I'm just using the Bib Collagen Eye Patch. Also using the Skin Foods Carrot Calming Water Pads for all over the face. And I'm using the Olen's Russian Smoky Brown. Now I'm using the Mixun PDRN Collagen Serum. This just gives me a really nice glow and hydration. Okay, for moisturizer, I like to go in with the Beauty of Joseon Red Bean Water Gel. I like to use the water gel just because I feel like it doesn't lift my makeup. Especially for the summer, don't forget to wear your sunscreen. And I'm using the Skin 1004 sunscreen for today's look. I feel like this does not lift my makeup as well, so I really like to use this underneath my makeup. Don't forget your neck, guys, please. For eyebrow, I just like to go in with the Anastasia Palette. And then I just like to conceal the bottom as well. Okay, for foundation, I like to go in with something light, so I'm using this Misha Perfect Cover Serum BB Cream. I go in with both the 25 and the 27. I feel like that's my perfect shade. And I just like to blend this a lot, just to make sure there's no harsh lines as well. Okay, I've been using this Say bronzer for so long, but it is in the shade Tan Bronze. It just melts on your skin and it's so perfect for the summer. Now for concealer, I like to go in with this Sam concealer. This is in the shade 02, and by the way guys, this is literally so cheap and it's so good. I just focus this underneath my eyes and that's it. For blush, I like to go in with the Patrick Ta blush. This is in the shade She's Blushing. I go in with the cream first. Okay, for powder, I like to go in with the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Cherry Peach. And then using the same Patrick Ta blush, I go in with the powder one this time. And I set the cream blush with the powder. I put this all over my freaking face because it just gives you that perfect sun-kissed look. Now for eyeshadow, I go in with the Kusnori powder eyeshadow in the shade 03. I go in with the lighter shade first and just put that all over my lid. And I also go in with the second lightest one, the peachy color, and I put that all over my lid again. Then using a brown eyeshadow, I like to create like a little eyeliner. This just gives me a map for when I actually do my liquid liner. Okay, and I also like to tightline my bottom eyes and also the top. I use the Canmake Creamy Touch Liner in the shade 02. Okay, now for eyeliner, I like to go in with the Canmake Lasting Liquid Liner. For mascara, I like to go in with the Sky High by Maybelline. It's so good, guys. And then using the Too Cool for School liner, I use that for my Edusol. Okay, using any type of eyeliner, I like to create moles, but I also like to do a brown liner to make it more natural. Okay, for lippy, I like to go in with the lip liner first, and I use the Essence Nude Lip Liner. And then I go in with the Flower Nose Lipstick. It is in the shade C07. I also like to tap this in instead of dragging. I feel like that just looks better. Then we're just gonna go over it with a really peachy nude lip gloss, and this will complete the look, guys.